Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. Today I decided to walk the back streets of Istanbul a little bit, guys, and this is what happened to me. You're not even going to believe it. Guys, avoid the tourist trap, like place like this. You see these guys standing in front of the restaurants. Their job is to bring you in, whether the food is good or not. All the restaurants, lined up one after the other. The food's about the same. The quality, not so great. You know what I mean? And they are here. If you pass by.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, how are you? They want you to go inside their restaurants no matter what. Do you know what I mean? It's such a tourist trap. In Turkey, you have just to go to places where the local people eat. It's much better. And then, guys, when you walk, you find places where the Turkish people eat. Okay, the local food. Look how nice. Not crowded. Look at that. Very nice. And here you eat for a fraction of the price. Welcome to local color of Turkey. Here, that's where the people from Turkey are working, moving merchandise. Look at this. Working. Look at that. This is a profession that probably has been around for so many years, Nice. Beautiful. Çok güzel.
Güzel.
Aha. Nice. Turkish people, grinding. Look over here. Hello, merhaba. What a gem, guys. Look at the type of stores that they have over here. They are all, with their products feeding the Grand Bazaar. Okay, the stores by the Grand Bazaar where they sell for the tourists. Hey, look at this. Wow. Hello, Avi. Who said, the Turkish people are lazy? I don't understand that. Hard-working people. Guys, look at these stores. I can't even imagine, what type of store it is. And people are eating their lunch. Hello, merhaba. Just, probably here they assemble everything. Oh, okay, look over here. This is for the belts. Okay, so here almost looks like a factory. You hear the sound of factories. Look at that. Oh, they're assembling stuff. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Nice to see him. But you see, guys, here it seems to be a lot of textile. Okay, I can see here that maybe we are in the textile district over here. What have I? Oh, look. Wow. Very nice, beautiful stuff. See all the products. That's why, guys, I tell you, when you are traveling, you need to get lost a little bit. You know what I mean? You go, don't plan everything 100%. When you get lost a little bit, meaning you don't go to only areas that you know where all the tourists walk. If you get lost a little bit, you're going to see different things. Okay? More of the local color, like here. Oops.
Ya abdestli de geliyoruz buraya. Ona da laf ediyor. Sen bu
Now guys, with the good weather, okay, as you can see, walking in these back streets, okay, it's very nice. Over there, not crowded. Okay, you can walk, you can, you know, window shopping, see the Turkish fashion. Okay, so
hello, how are you?
avoid at all costs, you know, taking the tourist road, okay, where all the tourists walk. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about soon. Okay, it's so crowded and you cannot even walk, but here, big difference, and you can find all the nice stuff too. Or better yet, you can enjoy Turkey, you know, the way Turkey really is. Local colors. Hello. Like if you're gonna have your, you know, like fresh squeezed juice, okay, no problem, you find it here too. You know, the pomegranate. Hello. Merhaba. So it's nice, you know, like from time to time, just get lost in Istanbul. You're going to see things that will surprise you. Look at that. You're gonna stumble in little alleys like this. Okay, look at this. Always take, when possible, the back road in Istanbul. See, I love to see the architecture, you know. You see this old building over here, you know, appears just in front of you. Very nice. And we are back to Main Street, so you're gonna see the difference. Okay, this is Main Street in Istanbul where the tram runs, and that's where most the tourists, they walk, you know, like 99% of the time they are here. Look, they just walk here. They just walk. A lot of them, they don't even have the chance like to lift their heads and look, you know, to the sky or look the architecture, because here really what you mostly have are the stores, you know, selling clothing, the restaurants selling food. Oh, I like this place over here. Look, they have traditional Turkish food, chicken and beef. Okay, look at that. And people buy, people sit down to eat. You know, they want to have that experience. The cashews, the corn. Okay, right there is the Turkish University, guys. A lot of people from all over the world, they come over here to study over here. It's supposed to be very good. Over there we have archaeological museum over there. So there is a lot to do here in Istanbul. You see at the end of this road over here, you can see over there the water is the Marmara Sea. Okay, so there is always a cool breeze when you are here in Istanbul. It helps during the summer, but during the winter it's really cold. See, back to Main Street. You see the ice cream show. Here guys, a typical Istanbul square. You know, people are passing by here to do whatever they have to do, okay? We are close to the Grand Bazaar, so a lot of people here are going to the Grand Bazaar and some people are just hanging out over here. You see the guys hanging out, doing whatever they do. You see tram station over there. So this is where all the tourists walk. That's why I decided to do this video. If you take the back road, sometimes, you know, you get a little bit away of this thing over here. That's the Grand Bazaar over there. Okay, the oldest bazaar in the world. And the reason I decided to come over here because I'm not going inside the Grand Bazaar like most tourists do. I'm going to take you to this little gem over here. Okay, let's just that's a bookstore over here. Okay, look at this, guys. It's a place where they sell books, Turkish books. Maybe you know some of these titles. Okay, merhaba. But it's a very, you know, quiet area. Brazil. Hi, how are you? Nice, thank you.
والربيعة أردوغان
Oh, okay.
أردوغان
Erdogan, yeah.
وهذا صدام
Oh, Erdogan, good.
صدام
Ah. Teşekkür.
أنا ماردين
Okay.
ماردين
Teşekkür. Hello. Hi. So guys, this is a beautiful area over here close to the Grand Bazaar. Many people don't know. Look how beautiful. What are all the cats? Oh, okay. And they have, you know, the cats over here also. Look, drinking water. But you see, when you get, yeah. It's nice. It's a big cat. Nice, huh?
هذا مي هذا ينشرب حلو
Your name is
يلا
Liela.
فوتوغراف
Oh, Kutoraf. Okay. Nice, nice. I like your hat. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. So guys, you see, instead of going to the Grand Bazaar all the time, you can come over here, you have a good experience, you know. You met the gentleman over here, you know, welcoming you. The Turkish people are very welcoming. Okay guys, you see? Wow. It just keeps coming, guys. So what would you rather do or walk on Main Street or the back road streets? You let me know. And maybe you can also, you know, write the name of a book, the title of a book that should interest us who are watching the video on YouTube. Have another cutie over here. They're just so used to people, you know, they don't move or anything. Very tame. Turkish favorite bread. Very good, guys. So I hope you will walk in different streets when you come to Istanbul. Okay, I hope this video will inspire you. So guys, this area over here with the books, it has been here since the Ottoman Empire. Okay, the guy comes along serving tea. So it's an old part of Istanbul that many people come over here and they don't know it, okay? It's right next to the Grand Bazaar. Right next to the Grand Bazaar. If you want to look smart, next time you come to Istanbul, come over here. Right next to the Grand Bazaar. Okay, I'm going to end my video over here. I hope you like it. Please share, follow, and like. And I'll see you next video. Okay, bye from Augusto Vlogs.